DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV weekly news update for Pidgin English. Me wan like this week na una country brother Stanley Okocha. I beg my brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this. Our first news for today na be the one when e concern
DJM TV.
Center. Gladys. Yes, this is Gladys. She's Quetta. She's the head of Unit 24. How many votes?
196 for PDP. They want to be study for APC.
I just thank God for today.
DJ ATV.
PDP 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. 5 Okay.
PDP 48.
48.
APC 6. And 1
Invalid votes. God bless you.
Give me the camera. What they are calling invalid votes, I don't want to raise the issue of controversy, but at least when a thumbprint for 95% of a political party, I think that should be a valid vote.
So let's dash them down.
Okay, although we don't have network, but if the APC or tone whatever, I think we will revisit our invalid vote.
Okay, there's no wala. There's no wala.
But all they say, voice of the people, voice of God, voice of God, voice of the people, 4.4. Thank you very much. Is there any other box? This is the last one.
No, is it the last box? The last box. So what's the total, George? 122 votes. Okay. PDP 122, APC what? In Unit 10.
APC 27.
APC 27, PDP 122. Ogbane.
DJ ATV.
Yes, this is what Honorable Agbons did, the councillor, with the INEC people. Look at them. He take them to the bush. They want to go and interpret it. Look at it. See it. Look at it. The disgrace. Agbons, there's not a ballot paper and ballot box. They want to go and... Look at it. Look at it. They claim that he kidnapped them, but they want to go and complete the ballot box. Look at it. Look at it. Why did you put compromise? Why did you put compromise? Hey.
Boss.
Look at it. Hey! Hey! No! Hey! Voilà, moto ni national.
DJ ATV.
My brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this.
DJ ATV.